everyone, and welcome to Statistical Foundations for Behavioral Sciences. I am Dr. Jessica Gomez. I am co-teaching this class with Jen Voltes. She's been teaching statistics for a very long time. I am brand new to teaching statistics, even though I've done a lot of statistics for my research and for other jobs in the past. So she is going to jump into the course. She's going to participate. She'll be on the discussion boards. She'll be helping make sure that everything runs smoothly as she hands over the class to me for me to teach it again then over the summer and probably realistically a few more times in the future. With that being said, I am going to teach this class again in the summer, so I absolutely welcome your feedback on this course. If there is an assignment that you hate, if there's a lecture video I do that you feel like really does not help explain things that much more, please let me know. Send me an email, send me a message, give me some feedback. I want this course to be as interesting as possible. I know that statistics is a class that a lot of behavioral sciences majors dread, right? There's a thought of, why do I need to learn math to do what I want to do? If I'm being perfectly honest, some of my most disliked classes in college, master's, PhD were some of the stats classes. It's really easy to make a stats class boring. It's really easy to make a stats class overwhelming. And I don't want this class to be either of those things. I'm going to try to use statistics that are drawn from behavioral sciences whenever possible in my examples so that you learn some fun facts about things you might find interesting along the way. But I want this course to be fun and interesting and engaging. We're not trying to make you mathematicians. That is not the purpose of this course. The purpose of this course is for you to be able to see those articles that everyone posts online or that people quote in the news and be able to look at them and see where those numbers come from and know, okay, is the way that they presented that information honest? Does reading your email on your phone before you go to bed really reduce your sleep quality that much? Is there really that big of a difference in whether or not I make my bed in the morning and what my mood is for the rest of the day, right? So we want you to be able to look at those numbers, look at those research articles, and know, are they using the information they got in a responsible way? Are they honestly communicating this information? And that's what we're going to be building up to for the final project of this course. The first couple of weeks, we are going to have you do some actual mathematical calculations. That's just so you, again, can get an idea of how these numbers are working together, how they fit together, and where this information comes from. We're not going to be doing any advanced level math. We're not going to be doing anything really difficult. If you're sitting here thinking algebra or trigonometry is the absolute worst class I've ever taken, no big deal. That's not the point. That's not what we're going to be doing in this course. The syllabus is posted on Moodle. We're switching to Canvas over the summer. The syllabus is posted on Moodle. Have a look through it. We tried to keep the layout very consistent week to week. An assignment, a discussion board. Your initial discussion post is going to be due Thursday by midnight. You'll need to respond to 2 classmates. If you've ever taken one of my classes before, you know that I'm going a little easy on you. I normally ask for your first post by Wednesday, and I make you respond to 3. So because it's stats, because it's numbers, we're reducing that a little bit. Everything will be straightforward. There will be study guides. There will be homework help. I'm going to be posting lecture videos. Please watch the lecture videos when they're posted. I promise I'm not making them because I like to hear myself talk about math. There's some things in your textbook that maybe there's a simpler way to explain, or maybe there's an alternate way to explain that might be easier to understand for some of you. And that's going to be the purpose of these lecture videos, is to help make it understandable, accessible, interesting. I don't want you to finish this class thinking, I loved my psych major if I just wouldn't have had to take statistics. I want this to be an enjoyable part of your course experience. Please give me feedback on what we can be doing to make that happen. So read the syllabus, click around on Moodle, see what all we're going to be doing. We'll have information about the final project finalized very, very soon. That is in its final draft form, but we're getting that going. And I will be talking to all of you soon.